Welcome everyone, this is Al Dacman Barry, and this is the last time IL01BRA will be on the road.
What? No! I don't want to just stop driving.
I haven't given up yet, so...
By the way, where are we going?
Probably the last place a bus would go. Let's see if the DAClings can figure it out.
You call them ducklings. I'm still sad though. I want to keep driving.
I did rush a little bit because you'll see why. I wanted to be considerate for my neighbors. So the brakes were still not completely released. And yes, Olivia, I know.
I'm so cold. Next time, can you warm me up, please?
Hills are still a little bit of a problem, especially when it's cold. But a lot of it is also me getting to learn Olivia and her shifting.
It would be really nice if you stopped signaling.
This is one of the nastiest hills in the entire county.
Whee! I like this part. He's really handsome. Dacman Barry, I'm hungry. Can we stop and get something to eat, please? Please? Please?
Here you go. Can I get something to eat?
Oh, I just can't wait to eat. I'm so starving.
Don't.
Again with showing off my flat butt? Stop looking! Life is so much better in a full tank.
Well, I wanted to fill you up.
Hey!
Because winter's coming, not just the license plate issue. Olivia does have some get up and go, and if I get the shifting right, there's no smoke either.
That's a pretty Corvette, but I'm prettier, right?
Probably a short or something in the linkages that keeps that reverse light on. I don't know about you, but it is surreal sometimes seeing a DAC bus driving through the US.
Hello, school bus.
And that is how a DAC bus smokes a Camaro. I just had to play with the buttons and open up the doors and whatnot.
Stand clear, doors closing.
Now this is where she would not go into second. I basically had to come to a complete stop.
Oh, with the signaling.
It's getting very hot in here, and for some reason second gear is not going in. So last time it was third gear, today it's second. So what I tried doing was going from first to third. When it let me,
And unfortunately, this is where the inside camera ran out of memory. And here we pass by the largest mall east of the Mississippi.
Is that where we're going? To the mall?
Nope, still a surprise. You're gonna have to watch to find out. Now, I'm not sure if it's me or if it was just an issue of her warming up, but she was shifting a lot better, handling hills faster, and just overall driving better. In fact, on the way back, I was amazed. It was just an awesome drive. And you'll get to see it next week.
Well, you're nothing but a big tease.
I do plan on having an uncut version of this with the...
Look at that Kenworth! I'm in love!
Anyways, as I was saying, let me know which version you would like to see, with the dashcam footage being the primary and the inside being in the corner, or the other way around. As well as the sound. I think the interior sound is still better, because there's more of it. So comment down below.
I don't think a lot of people are gonna like that kind of video. Maybe just like the hardcore bus fans.
Nonsense. People want to see your adventures, your shenanigans, and all your episodes and all the stuff that you're getting involved into. I mean, you've become a celebrity.
Hello, school bus. And another school bus. And another school bus.
Attention span of a DAC. Anyways, we are finally here. We're at the quarry.
What are we doing at the quarry? Why am I here?
To find out, watch next week's episode of DAC Dynasty. So this is Al, DAC Man Barry,
And Olivia.
and I hope you have a great ride.